30 seconds into flight.
Now you can note the speed and altitude graphics there at the bottom of your screen.
7,000 feet and climbing.
And the chart at the left is tracking the main milestones that we're going to see during the flight.
Beginning throttle down for Q limiting. Engine response looks good.
And that's the moment at which our astronauts are going to start
Astronauts experiencing max ascent Gs
of microgravity.
Begin throttle down, standby MECO. MECO confirmed.
There's the main engine cutoff.
Standby separation.
And it's a very clear day in West Texas, which is why our long-range cameras there on the ground on the left side of the screen, you're seeing the clear shot of the booster. There's separation.
Separation confirmed.
Amazing. And this is the point at which the astronauts are going to hear that call from their Capcom, telling them they can start to unbuckle and enjoy those moments to float around the capsule. And I can't imagine what's going through Mihi's head right now.
My favorite part, I'm biased because it's the engine, but we will get to see the engine reignite.
Booster drag brakes deployed. Approach an engine restart.
All right, there's the drag brakes, and you're going to see the velocity of the dropping of the booster here really cut down. It's below 500 miles an hour now.
That was the song. Boom.
And you can see the relay happening
Engine
right
restart.
there.
Landing legs deployed. Booster descent nominal.
Booster touchdown.
Booster touchdown. Welcome
All right.
home, New Shepard booster.
There it is. Every time I get to see these booster landings, this is a miracle of engineering.